Welcome to today's daily message. The reading that I'd like to share with you today and reflect upon for just a moment comes from the 58th chapter of the book of the prophet Isaiah. And this reading embodies one of the principal themes of the Old Testament prophets. And it sounds odd that when Isaiah is talking to the people of Israel, he's criticizing them for their fast. And he is saying that their fasting is meaningless the way that they do it. And so he tells them what will make their fast meaningful, what will make their fast acceptable to the Lord. I'm reading from about 2/3 of the way down the screen. This, rather, is the fasting that I wish, releasing those bound unjustly, untying the thongs of the yoke, setting free the oppressed, breaking every yoke, sharing your bread with the hungry, sheltering the oppressed and the homeless, clothing the naked when you see them, and not turning your back on your own. Then your light shall break forth like the dawn, and your wound shall quickly be healed. What Isaiah is saying here is that our religious acts of penance have far greater meaning when they are accompanied by the work of justice. It's no wonder that prophets like Isaiah were so heavily criticized and rejected, because they were criticizing the religious behavior of those in power. The words of Isaiah still carry meaning for us today, because we are called, just as the people of the Old Testament were, to fast and to do good works during the season of Lent. But our fasting must always be accompanied by the works of charity, by taking care of the poor and the neglected among us. This is what makes our Lenten penance more meaningful, and which will help us to rise to new life on Easter Sunday. Thank you once again for watching and listening today.